You're watching Guido's Killer Cars. Today we're opening up the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture. This is the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. This is the EuroSpeed. Car number 2 out of 5. As you can see, there's 5 in the collection. Look at that sparkly paint. I love those green stripes. We know he's going to get somewhere quick with that fin. Again, this is the Hot Wheels Premium EuroSpeed Aston Martin Vantage GTE. As always, thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And if you could, drop me a comment.